cleaned it up a little bit. I mean, I'm not saying I went crazy with it, but I cleaned her up. I don't know why y'all watching the video. Maybe you can upgrade to an SSD here. Anything really. These just unplug. I could put thermal paste and CPU cooler, but I'm too lazy to do all that. I just want to get this thing back on the road. So this back in. Let's line this baby out. Platter. Rest of the bolt's gonna go in here. I'm gonna skip that part. I'll be right back. Now the trickiest part will be getting this ribbon back on me. I'm gonna get that part off just so I can have easier access. Well, that baby is in there. Slider. It's gonna be 3 button there. And that is how you put it together. Now let's plug it in and see how it goes. Good to go. Alright, y'all. That's how you take apart your Xbox and put it back together for whatever reason.